Alright, now Samsung has announced some very interesting features in the S26 series launch event, and in today's video, let's check out what are these new features all about. First one is call screening. Never miss an important call again with the new call screening feature on the Galaxy S26 series. This intelligent tool acts like your personal assistant, providing a clear and simple summary of who called and what they wanted, even for calls you can't or don't want to answer. It works by giving you a concise overview, allowing you to quickly decide what needs your immediate attention and what can wait, ultimately making call management effortless and helping you prioritize your day. Next, the introduction of Perplexity into Samsung's ecosystem. Now we get to choose between Gemini, Perplexity, and Bixby as your assistant. Perplexity acts as an additional AI agent within the Samsung's ecosystem, and Samsung's all-new internet browser also has partnered with Perplexity to power its Ask AI feature. This integration provides a powerful AI tool designed to help your research faster while browsing. Ask AI will take all the research across your open tabs and even your recent history, combining it with the intelligence of conversational AI to answer your question. While browsing, just tap on Ask AI to seek information about the contents in that particular web page. Next, we have got a brand new feature called Now Nudge. This feature provides suggestions at the right moment, understanding the context of your conversation. For example, if a friend asks you to meet up for Korean barbecue next weekend, Now Nudge can bring your calendar directly into the chat. This allows you to check your availability and respond in seconds, keeping you in your flow without needing to leave the chat and open another application, in this instance the calendar application. Let's say if your friend is asking for photos from the last weekend, you don't have to tap on that attach button and search for those images inside your phone. Now Nudge will bring up all those photos taken in the last weekend and shows the option share photos right on the keyboard. Just tap on that, select all those pictures that you want to select from the last weekend, hit send. Pretty cool, isn't it? Next, Agentic AI on your Galaxy S26 series. This represents a significant leap in artificial intelligence, moving beyond simple automation to create systems that can understand intent and take action on your behalf. You can see in this demonstration, in your family group, you start getting messages all of a sudden. Somebody's calling for a party, different family members have got different requests for the food, and you got to order them at one shot. Now, if you're busy with something, you don't really have to go through each and every message to understand who wants what, and then go to the food delivery application, search for those food, add to the cart, and then order it. All this can be done by Gemini. Just activate Gemini on the chat, ask Gemini to order all the food which were requested on that chat on a specific food delivery application, and Gemini will do it for you. And while this process starts, you can watch Gemini working on your phone. Once Gemini creates the cart inside the food delivery application, we will get an alert. I can go ahead and review it and then tap on order. That's Agentic AI for you. Next, the all-new Bixby is smarter than ever. Navigating the device is much simpler now using this all-new Bixby. If you want to find a specific setting on your phone, or if you want to ask anything about your device, you can just ask Bixby. It will instantly give you the answer. In this demonstration, you can see a question is being asked: how can I charge my friend's phone with mine? And then the steps pop up right there on the screen. Along with that, the toggle also shows up so that you can instantly enable that toggle right there on the Bixby's results, rather than getting into settings application and then search for that specific setting and toggle it on. And since we have Perplexity integration within Bixby, we can seek all that information that we need. We've got conversational AI within Bixby now. We don't really have to switch between apps. Bixby can do everything for you. So it looks like Gemini is not the only option. Bixby may or can replace Gemini in the coming days. Next, notification integration within NowBrief. Yes, the Galaxy AI can now understand the important notifications that you receive, and then it picks up that information and puts it inside your NowBrief for a quick look. In this notification, you can see there is a friendly reminder from a specific contact for an event, in this case, a dinner reservation at a specific time. And there are possibilities that you might have missed this notification, but what Galaxy AI does is it takes this information and puts it on your now brief. So if you are someone who wake up looking at the now brief in the morning, you will instantly get this specific reminder, which is fantastic. This is not like notification summaries. This is Agentic AI working on your Galaxy phone, picking up the important information from the notifications and adding it on your now brief so that you don't miss them. Next, Perplexity as mainstream AI on your Galaxy phone. Yes, now we can just say, "Hey Plex," to activate Perplexity on Galaxy S26 series and start talking to Perplexity, which works just like Gemini. You say, "Hey Google" or "Hey Gemini" to wake up Gemini. Likewise, you can wake up Perplexity by just saying, "Hey Plex." That is pretty cool. Next, Galaxy AI for scanning documents. As you can see in this demonstration, when a document is scanned, Galaxy AI will come into play and it will smoothen out the wrinkles, folded corners, and even removes your finger from the document. It just gives you a perfect looking scanned document, and you can even combine multiple documents into one PDF, which is a much needed feature on the Galaxy phones. Next, the all new Photo Assist feature. Now, we all have been using Object Eraser on Galaxy phones using Photo Assist, but now using the same feature, we will be able to add objects onto the image, which is a very interesting feature. If you want to add your pet's image onto your image, you can just take it from a different photo and ask AI to blend it onto the other image by just describing how you want to blend it. You can adjust your images, change your attire, and in this demo you can see Galaxy AI just restores the missing piece from that specific desert. And we also have an all new Creative Studio, which is a complete overhaul of the Drawing Assist application on the Galaxy phones. You can easily create stickers and you can generate wallpapers in different aspect ratios to set it right there on your home screen or lock screen. And these wallpapers you can see in this demo look beautiful on the lock screen. These are some of the very interesting features showcased by Samsung, which will be first introduced on the Galaxy S26 series, and some of them might trickle down to the previous generations like the S25 series and S24 series. And if you wish to see the live demo of these features and understand more about the Galaxy S26 Ultra, then be sure to subscribe to the channel. I have already pre-ordered the device and expecting the delivery in the next couple of weeks. Once we have it, we will explore everything that this phone offers, and I will be posting tons of contents about the hardware as well as software. So stay tuned, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. The link is in the description. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers, bye-bye.